right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I was a little late. My fault. Okay, good. So first off, let's start with the high time frames. I'm bullish. I'm not gonna try and catch the, you know, falling knife. So that's not a rejection though. But regardless, I am bullish for the day. We still have that fair value gap holding, so if we are bullish, we want to see these. Oh my gosh, we do want to see these bearish arrays. Sorry, bullish arrays hold. So again, I am bullish for the day. Yeah, we've just been at all-time highs, so we're not gonna try and catch that low. We are back, tracing back into a busy and a 4-hour, more importantly. So that's why I'm really more leaning bullish. I want to see if we could take London low and then reverse. That'd be an amazing trade, Loki. We do have a FOMC, so that just means I'm probably not gonna go crazy trying to catch the up to the upside, because it could probably just go lower the whole day to go higher later on. But we'll see. I want to see if we could take the south side, but if not, then it's cool too. Let me know that we are in a high time frame array. We are dropping below midnight, which is good for buying. Like I said, they want to see this reaction yesterday from this 4-hour CB / 1-hour CB, which is good. It's good. Looking good. Not gonna complain. All right, 9:30. By the way, I left the windows open, guys, so you guys hear like. I was gonna say that any roosters, any side noise, it's not me. Nice reaction for that 15 BPR though. I still want to go higher though, but I'll see what happens today. Because like I said, I don't really want to push my buttons today, because FOMC is today. So we do expect a slow pace in the morning today for FOMC. I'm probably just gonna take like 2 lower risk trades if I can, lower my capital, preservation key. If we get some noise, I'm gonna close the window. Alright, good. So far, so good. Let me see if we have any SMTs that'll be perfect for manipulation to the upside. Oh shit. Wow, that's tough. I hate when they're completely different. Bruh. I gotta be very careful today. They just took out London high, dog. So we are having SMTs down. I'm not gonna trade it down, guys. I'm looking to trade up. Trade your highs and all that stuff. Yeah, guys, we're getting SMTs on top, so I gotta be very careful. I'm probably gonna have SMTs at the bottom. I don't know. Yeah, like I said, I'm looking for upside, not downside. So we could take some sort of, just look at it beautiful. Look at that beautiful fill-in. What's we do 1 hour? I'm gonna close the window second dot. Look at that beautiful reaction from there. So again, I am bullish. I gotta be very careful though. I just don't like that we took London high. I want to see if we could take out Asia high and Asia low. All these buys are really laying up in here. Look at that M30 dog. I'll take SM15. Yeah, I wish if you could go back and tap into this and perhaps even revisit this BP fair value gap to go higher to take this liquidity right here. I gotta be very careful though, because I think we also took out four. Yeah, you see, we took out previous 4 hour high. Not for ES though, not for NQ though. I gotta be careful. I'm gonna close my window, guys. I forgot the garbage guy comes out today. Alright. Yeah, I gotta be very careful, guys. Again, I want to look higher, but I don't say. What time is it? 9:46. By the way, I have not taken any trades, guys. I have not taken any trades. I want to see if we can have a nice closure continuation higher. Maybe we can see on the low. I would still like to long oh, Asian highs left intact nicely. Asia highs. Asia highs. Asia highs. There. Alright, so practically left nicely equal. Wow, we just got a straight dump. That's funny. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, represented for webcam. But sometimes you're having the weirdest brain farts. I'm gonna see what happens 950. 950. I still don't like it if I'm being honest. Yeah, I'd rather just wait a little bit. We just take a pre-session, but I'd rather wait for London Low to be taken out. I don't like that. I don't trust this too much. This is 5 minutes. What the fuck was that? Oh shit. Excuse my French. Yeah, I'm gonna be very careful today, guys. I really don't want to be stuck in a sticky situation where I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna wait for thingy. Again, I still don't like it. It doesn't look clean in my opinion. I mean, we could trade up here to be really. Oh shit. Could go break even at the first presented. Nah, it's not even worth it. I mean, we go from here, right? If you're getting SMTs, I mean, not really, because I mean, we. I still don't trust it as much if I'm being honest. I could go break even here. Let's see if I could go higher. I don't really like it too much, but alright. If it doesn't break, if it doesn't touch it, then I'll get in. It touched it already. That's tough. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta be very careful now. We already just touched the first presented. I want to see what happens is like we could come down and then thingy. If we respect it, then we're just gonna go lower. I'm gonna just wait. I'll get in from another inversion or something. We have another upper fair, but we already versed this one, so I want to go for London high and all these liquidity on top. I'll just be a little bit more patient. I want to see what we do here. Alright, I'm over here, guys. I'm gonna see this like this. If it respects it, then I'm gonna go along. Because I am along due to the higher time frame, but my plan was to go break even here. This is 3 minute. Stop loss. Yeah, I already touched it. I'm gonna just wait. I don't like this no more. We just took out London highs. Yeah, my plan was to go to see what happened here, but my plan was to go break even here. I just didn't. I couldn't like. I didn't really trust myself going from this inversion. I really do want to see what happened here now. Just leg up. Too loud. Yeah, I just didn't trust it for 2 reasons, guys. I didn't trust the manipulation, you know. I was gonna go break even here once it touched the first presented, and it was just a risk off tree for London highs. But let's see, we can still go higher. We don't know. I definitely don't like this anymore. Let me just wait to 10. You can take any trade GG, I guess, but I just didn't feel confident enough to thingy. It was not even confident, just I didn't feel like, what's the word? I didn't feel like it would have made sense as much. I still didn't trust it. See, we're rejecting this 5 minute too. Like I said, if we somehow do want to go lower, this would definitely be a spot to go lower from. don't flip wrong from here to here. I want to see what we do here. I don't like this, dude. I don't like this. If you could invert this and get above the first presented again, then I would feel confident along with this. I want to see how much content I can get in with. By limit. I would probably buy it again here. Stop loss would have to be here. Here. Roughly 4 contracts. It's a little risky now, you see. We are going into BPR now, so for me, I really want to see this hold, this area hold. But I would want to see inversion first hold. So roughly what, like 4 contracts or so? Yeah, I gotta see him be very patient here. You see, we already got on the highs. These highs are what I was also going for, but it's too messy. It's too messy right now for me to even try something. This was a clean straight. That's why I wanted to go break even here, guys. What's the touch first presented? But it is what it is. We'll see what happens. Ah, dude. So much divergence. Damn, bro. That's tough. That's tough, guys. That's tough. That's tough. Yeah, I'm not really looking for shorts, if I'm being honest. I don't trust anything here. I'm waiting for the OTE chasing back into if we're gonna push higher, but I'll probably just go for a quick scalp today. Let's see what happens, guys. 10 o'clock is coming up, guys. O'clock is here. That's not good. You might want to continue to the downside. Which previous daily low? Oh my bad. Let's see what happens out here. Which previous daily low? Previous daily low. We already took out previous daily low here. Which I'm saying was a nice trade up, but I don't know. Price is really nasty today. I mean, we do expect it, so we already took out so much liquidity too. That's the thing I don't like. I don't even know what to target of. Like, I guess this, but like, let me see the 4 hour here. I'll see what happens. Maybe we take out the previous 4 hour low. Let me go higher. Alright, we just got the previous 4 hour low as well. Okay. Again, I still don't like this. Yeah. We tapped it here and then boom, but that's it. Respected this. Now we have. I wouldn't really trust going long right now, unless we get above this again. I'll take that for a bit. It's too confusing. Yeah, I just like we came thing, guys, invalid. We left equal high though, it looks nice, but we took Asia lows, Asia highs. We didn't do it yet for. Oh, we just got another. I don't know. Wait. We already did take out the previous 4 hour, so let's see what happens. Yeah, guys, I mean, I was looking for longs, but obviously, I was looking for longs once this get inverted, this one right here, which it did. Once this got inverted, I wanted to get in, but the problem was I wanted to go break even at the first presented, which was this, and you can clearly see it. I was gonna get in again if we had inverted this, and I got inverted the first presented, so my trade would have been like something like this, and then obviously if it would have been a critical swing low, whatever, I would have made this my swing low, and then I still would have targeted like I think Asia, nothing highs as first partial, and then obviously to the 1 hour fair value up again. But yeah, we're switching bearish. I don't really see anything right now. We're switching bearish once again. We still respected this auto block right here too, so we might even want to go lower, maybe to previous 4 hour low. I'll see what happens here though. I'll be careful. If we leave this for value up, then I might use it to go short, but I'm still not really fully convinced yet that we want to go higher. Where's 10 o'clock? Again, we better close. I'm gonna see what happens. If we get inverted, I might look for long again, but just looking very, very unlikely. You see this? Look at thingy. We just swept it nicely. I want to see what happens here. I definitely don't want to trade before that. I want to see if we can invert this to look higher. Then I'll look for maybe a trade for longs. I'm still bullish, guys. I'm not looking for bearishness. But if you are bearish, if you are bullish, you want bearish start, you want to see the leg hold. Obviously, during the OT level retracement, which also be a family fair value gap. But if you're bullish like me, then you would want to see this fail. We just took out liquidity again, which was nice. I told you guys want to see this taken out. The only thing I just don't like is this. I want to start seeing movement to the. Yeah, I'd rather just wait. I'd rather just wait to see this get inverted, and then I would rather play this again. I'd rather just wait, guys. Because if it's gonna respect it, then it's fine with me too. I don't really care. But I really don't like this for ES. ES gonna like, bring down like the weight on it. Oh. Wait, let me see if they switched the contracts already. Let's see which contract, guys. What contract are they on? Oh, no, I can't even see. It's too small. Bro, I can't see the contract. I really don't like this though. Oh, he has some teeth over London High. And QZ, okay. Oh shit, sorry. Yeah, they're similar then, huh? Yeah, MQZ, okay, thank you. I'll switch that to... give me a second. Okay, guys. Again, I'm just waiting for the famine to get inverted. Oh, I don't know. It might switch to shorts. Maybe do this outside. Yeah, it is pretty out as well. Okay. I'll see what happens here, guys. Technically, ES is thingy. So I'll see what happens here once we tap into this. Yeah, I don't think I'm bullish anymore. Let's see what happens here. I really am gonna be bearish here. I might dig deeper into London low and all this extra stuff. Let's see what happens here, guys. If we tap back into this, probably looking for shorts. I don't see myself really long anymore after this. SMT and all that, change of state delivery, like, yeah, not really. I want to see if we could yeah, I'm gonna be looking for shorts, and I'll probably just be targeting London, not even London lows. I would have to go for previous day lows too. Previous day low. Yeah, really. I mean, we'll see what happens here though. It'll be a nice trade though, I'm gonna lie, but let's see. Because obviously it looks better than easy said than done. I want to see some sort of SMT in the higher time frame creator or something. Sell limit. How much content would I be able to go for? At 3 or so. I can't go with 3 contracts. It's 8:30. 8:30. Not really, just right here. We did tap into that, but I definitely want to see a little higher thingy. I gotta be very careful though. Sounds like something I should put my stop loss above here. I'm gonna go with 3 contracts. We can tap into this, guys, but like I said, I'm waiting for a little bit better reaction. Imagine this price swing, guys. Like, obviously it can reject from here, but I would want to see it go into equilibrium first. Ugh. I'm gonna keep it short. I'm gonna go with 4. If it closes below this, let me see the 2 minute. I'm gonna wait for the 2 minute to change day or so. That's crazy. I wouldn't even reach this. I would want to see deeper drive into this, like. Yeah, I might just wait a little bit more. Cause now I would have the 5 minute, even the 1 hour with me. It's a 4 hour. Might want to dig deeper into this. Even into the auto block. See what happens. We didn't tap it. I wanted it again from an equilibrium leg, from this equilibrium leg, to see the rejection point, but yeah, and I'm good, guys. I'm good for the thingy. I'll probably end the stream here. It's a little too risky for me. I mean, London Low is pretty sure is what's looking like juicy right now. Yeah, I don't like this. London Low, London Low, London Low. I want to break even here, but I mean, if you want to take a trade, you could take a trade. You know, if you really expect it to go lower, but it just doesn't make sense to me right now. I wanted to see the M2 switch bearish, which is I guess right here now. And if you really want to go short, then short this. But we didn't hit the equilibrium of the leg. That's why I don't trust this leg swing. And then obviously start going for lower. But I don't trust it. It didn't even hit equilibrium with the price. Like, yeah, I respected it, which is nice. But I want to see at least a little tap into this. And even better, like if you really want to look nicely, reject 50% of that as order block 2 and all this BPR. So my stop would have been like here, technically. But if I was to if we had speed behind this, then I would have probably like shorten it within the 1 minute or 2 minute. But I mean, you can still enter this one, guys. I don't trust it though, no more, because I wanted to go break even here for these equal lows, and then London low, I don't know. Let's see how I react though. But if you're still confident, you could take the short, guys. I'm not saying it's not gonna go lower, but I just don't like it. You're so out of sync, it's confusing me. Again, you definitely don't want to see this get broken to the upside, inverted. We did go above 10 a.m., so that's what I'm saying. Technically, your stop loss would be safe here, but I just don't trust it. Everything's really out of sync for me. Yeah, we tapped into it, but I just don't like it. I wanted to get a higher price swing up so we could get more in premium, and we could have gotten better RR as well. But we did go up above 10 a.m. here, and we did close below it. So you would be safe really if you wanted thingy, but I just don't trust my instincts and just really my instincts telling me not to. I want to see a higher move up. Perhaps something like this and then lower, then yeah, but this week was crazy. You definitely want to see 50% of this week go 100%. It's already balanced in my opinion. I mean, look like it's going good for you if you guys take this trade. Again, like it was a nice tap. Like I said, I wanted to see this hold, but I wanted to go a little deeper, just literally into equilibrium, into here at least, and then seeing a rejection. Then that would have been amazing. But your stop loss would have to be here, and I would definitely demand. I would definitely demand. I would take a one here. Yeah, I don't like it as much though, if I'm being honest. Really? The thing I did like about this one is that we did go above 10, which was nice here, right here, see? Just This was really clang eye. This. Again, I'm glad I was able to switch my buys and not look for longs anymore, but I just couldn't get it straight. Like, I was wanting to see this hit this bare minimum. This was above midnight. That's crazy. Look at this rejection though. Yeah, we never really got a nice thingy. Yeah, I'll put it in the stream here, guys. There's nothing for me to do. Nice. So this trade would have played out, like, but I wanted to see a higher equilibrium price level. But it's cool. It's probably gonna be like this the whole morning, guys. But I don't even know. We're probably going lower just to go high later during the what's it called? During FOMC. So yeah, I mean, it was a smart thing to. I was definitely looking for longs just due to this daily, but obviously it's not giving me what I want to see. So obviously I won't force it. All right, so guys, I'll see you guys later. Nah, I don't even. I don't know because I think I don't feel comfortable with what's it called? With the evening prices with the afternoon session because I usually like using midnight, 9:30, 8:30, and like with thinking I would just have to use 1:30, I believe, right? Because midnight, ICT says stop using it after like the afternoon morning session, so like I wouldn't really feel comfortable. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be careful if you guys are gonna trade FOMC. All right, be careful. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow, Thursday. We have news, so hopefully, and